Welcome to the amazing world of Thousand Vlogs. Kawabata Shopping Arcade is the first merchant area that flourished in the Hakata district, and its history can be traced back to more than 130 years. It comprises two arcades, Kawabata Kuo Shopping Arcade and Kami Kawabata Shopping Arcade, which together measure 400 meters in length. More than 130 stores, old and new, merged to form a lively commercial road filled with apparel shops, restaurants, and specialty stores. More than 10,000 people pass daily through the arcade, which is surrounded by numerous facilities for tourists. The Kawabata Shopping Arcade has been running since the mid-1950s and includes over 100 locally owned businesses crowded along the 400 meters long stretch of road. While the rest of Fukuoka City has been evolving at a rapid rate, the Kawabata Shopping Arcade has held on tight to its original roots, and it is a fun place to visit for a little taste of nostalgia. One thing you should know is Nakasu is known for its restaurants. You can find lots of hidden gems in the Nakasu area. Plan to come here a little bit hungry, and if you find a restaurant that interests you, just walk right in. Let's take you on a journey through Kawabata Shopping Street, where Fukuoka's past and present dance together in perfect harmony. This 400-meter covered arcade, dating back 130 years, houses over 130 shops that blend traditional craftsmanship with modern entrepreneurship. Discover everything from handcrafted Hakata dolls and textiles to trendy boutiques and mouth-watering tonkatsu ramen spots. The street comes alive during festivals like Hakata Jian Yamakasa, and with over 10,000 daily visitors, it's the beating heart of Fukuoka's shopping scene. With over 130 years of history, Kawabata Street stands as Hakata District's pioneering merchant area and one of Fukuoka's oldest shopping destinations. When you walk through its two interconnected arcades, Kawabata Kuo and Kami Kawabata, you'll feel the pulse of a commercial heritage that's shaped Fukuoka's identity since its earliest days. Watch this vibrant marketplace evolve while preserving its soul through more than 130 diverse stores where traditional craftsmen work alongside modern entrepreneurs. You'll discover the street's living legacy in the rhythmic celebrations of the Hakata Dantaku Festival, where locals parade with wooden rice-serving spoons, and in the thunderous energy of the 770-year-old Hakata Jian Yamakasa festivities. The street's endurance is particularly evident during the annual Saimon Barai sale, a tradition that's drawn bargain hunters since 1982. Like rings in a tree trunk, each layer of Kawabata's history tells a story, from the weathered storefronts of family-run shops to the modern boutiques that have made this historic thoroughfare their home. Please like, share, and subscribe. Since Kawabata Shopping Street sits in the heart of Fukuoka, you'll find several convenient ways to reach this historic marketplace. I've found that getting there's surprisingly straightforward, whether you're coming from the airport, Hakata Station, or the port area. Here are the 3 most efficient routes I recommend. From Fukuoka Airport, take the Kuko Line subway to Nakasu-Kawabata Station. It's just a 9-minute ride that'll cost you 260 yuan, and you won't need any transfers. From Hakata Station, hop on the subway for a quick 4-minute journey to Nakasu-Kawabata Station, or enjoy a leisurely 19-minute walk if you're in the mood to explore. From Hakata Port, grab either bus number 11 or number 19 to Okuno-do bus stop, followed by a short walk, or take a taxi for a direct 12-minute ride. Once you arrive at Kawabata Shopping Street, you'll step into over 130 years of living history, the beating heart of Hakata's first merchant district. Here, the past and present dance together beneath covered arcades stretching 400 meters, where over 10,000 people browse daily through a fascinating mix of traditional and modern shops. Please do watch our other Fukuoka, Japan playlist. If you plan to explore Fukuoka's nightlife, Nakasu is a great location. The popular Canal City shopping mall is a short walk away. Stop by in the evening for a free projection mapping show. If street food is more your style, walk along the Nakasu River and try Fukuoka's famous yatai. No matter what your style is, there is definitely something for everyone in Nakasu. Have you been to Fukuoka, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.